YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do? Welcome back. Brand new episode, Money Mint TV. You see the box. Without further ado, let's jump straight to it, man. Let's get it, man.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal.
We looking at today is the women exclusive Air Jordan Retro 4. Bang, do you smell me? Do you smell me? Well, we got the women exclusive Air Jordan 4 Desert Storm, whatever you want to call these things, man. So jumping straight into it, we have a all suede drip upper on these guys. We have flat black laces that go throughout as well. Netting is in black with that same Desert Storm look to it. As Guwap would say, the wings logo, the wings on the shoe are all black as well. Looks to be in a matte color on these guys, man. Then taking a look at that black midsole accents as well. The rest of the midsole is dripped in that all white. Now taking a look at that Tizon, what we came to look for, what looks to be iridescent, kind of like a little sparkle chain color on that thing. Same for that inside on the guy. Now lastly, taking a look at that back end, that same iridescent kind of like changing color Jumpman on these guys, man. So down below, man, leave your thoughts, comments, opinions on these women exclusive Air Jordan 4. What do y'all think? My opinion, these are gas. Nice colorway for the fall. Lastly, I'm gonna show you guys that outsole as well, which has hints of white, black, and that kind of like khaki material, khaki colorway, I should say, on these guys. But like I said, that's my thoughts on these guys. Down below, drop your thoughts, comments, opinion. Still ain't sub to the channel, man, go ahead and subscribe for your boy. It's free, you know I do appreciate it. Also, if you still have not liked this video, man, you like stuff like this, drop a like for me, I appreciate it. Till next time, this been your boy Sneakerhead Money Mitch, telling you to always like what you rock and rock what you like. Ching, gang, gang, I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face on, just to show the haters I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wasting time. I swear to God, man, all my people.